Car insurance costs jumped 25% in 2026, and most people have no idea they're overpaying. If you haven't checked your rates in over a year, you're probably paying hundreds more than necessary. Insurance companies count on this. They count on you being busy or intimidated to shop around. But here's what most people don't realize. You have way more power than you think. In this video, I'm showing you the exact steps to cut your insurance bill without cutting coverage. Follow these strategies honestly, and you'll likely save 15 to 40%. Some people save even more. Let's get into it. The single best thing you can do is get quotes from 5 to 8 different insurance companies. This takes about 20 minutes on a comparison site, and you'll immediately see the price spread. Some companies will be hundreds cheaper than others for identical coverage. Check State Farm, Allstate, Geico, Progressive, USAA, if eligible, and regional carriers in your state. Here's the critical part. Make sure coverage limits are identical across all quotes. Same deductible, liability limits, comprehensive, and collision. You're only comparing apples to apples when the protection is identical. The lowest quote only matters if the coverage matches. Your deductible is the amount you pay before insurance kicks in. Most people default to $500 without thinking about it. But here's the reality. Bump that to $1,000, and your premium usually drops 15 to 25%. Jump to $1,500 and you might save 25 to 35%. The question is, could you actually afford to pay that out of pocket? If yes, take the higher deductible. Most accidents that get reported cost way more than $1,500 anyway. For small damage under $1,000, paying out of pocket is cheaper than filing a claim and dealing with your rate increase. If you have homeowners, renters, life insurance, or anything else, ask about bundling with car insurance. Most companies offer multi-policy discounts, typically 10 to 15%. Insurance companies love bundling because it locks you in. But don't assume bundling is always cheapest. Sometimes splitting policies between different companies actually costs less overall. So do the math. Calculate bundling everything with one company, then calculate splitting. Whichever number is lower wins. Most of the time, bundling saves money, but occasionally, splitting wins. Spend 15 minutes on the calculation, and you might uncover real savings. Most people use 1 or 2 discounts and miss out on real money. Ask your agent directly. What discounts do I qualify for that I'm not using? Safe Driver apps monitor your driving and can save 20 to 30%. Low mileage discounts if you work from home. Even 1,000 fewer miles per month counts. Defensive driving courses. One online class saves 5 to 10%. Then ask about good grades if under 25. Employer discounts, alumni affiliation, automatic payments, paperless billing, and safety features in your car. Agents won't volunteer these, so ask directly. Go through the full list with your agent. Most people find hundreds they were missing. Your credit score directly affects your insurance rate in most states. Someone with poor credit pays 40 to 50% more than someone with excellent credit for identical coverage. If your score is below 650, this should be a priority. Start paying down debt, don't open new accounts, and check your credit report for errors. Dispute any mistakes you find. Every 50-point improvement can mean real insurance savings. It takes 12 to 24 months to move the needle significantly, but the money saved is absolutely worth it. While you're building credit, tackle the other strategies in this video, which you can implement today. Set a calendar reminder for your renewal date. Most people just auto-renew without checking if they can do better. Big mistake. Insurance rates shift every year based on your age, local accidents, and new pricing strategies. Someone who locked in a great rate last year might be overcharged this year. Right before renewal, get fresh quotes from 5 companies and compare to what you're paying now. I've seen people save $400 to $800 just by switching at renewal. Yes, it's annoying. Yes, you should do it anyway. The savings are real. Set a yearly reminder and babin and do it. Here's what I want you to do today. Set a timer for 30 minutes and get quotes from at least 5 companies. It's faster than you think. Look up your current policy and note the deductible and coverage levels. Call your agent and ask what discounts you're missing. Check your credit score. If it's below 700, make a plan to boost it. These 4 actions and take about an hour and can save you hundreds. Most people skip this because it feels like work. But the money is real. You're just making calls and looking at numbers. Do it this week and you'll have savings next month.